Yo, so good evening, guys. How are you today? I hope all of you have a good condition as mentally and physically. So today's topic we have it's about historical place. So all of you have to tell us about that place, your from your iconic city or your city live or maybe another province, but that place will be your will be that playlist you have to visit. So yeah, maybe we can just go to the first person. First person is Rasmi. Are you ready?
Okay, Vicky, I'm ready. Thank you.
Okay, this screen is yours, Rasmi.
Uh, Hello, guys. I see you again today. Our topic today is about historical place, right? Okay. So I want to talk about one of the historical place in my area, namely the Museum Kesultanan Bulungan. The Museum Kesultanan Bulungan is one of the historical museum located in Bulukan Regency, North Kalimantan Province. The Kesultanan Bulungan occupies a building that was previously the Bulungan Sultanate Place. The current Bulungan Sultanate Museum building is a place building that was rebuilt by the Bulungan Regency government. The Kesultanan Bulungan Place building, which burned down in 1964, was rebuilt and functioned as a museum. The Bulungan Sultanate Museum is one of the tourist attractions in Bulungan Regency. The location of the Museum Kesultanan Bulungan is across the Kayan River from the capital of North Kalimantan, Tanjung Selor, precisely on Jalan Kasimuddin, Tanjung Palas district. So the Bulungan Sultanate was founded in the 16th century AD and thrived from around 1771 to 1938 AD. During the heyday of the Bulungan Sultanate, there was no tribute from the Sultanate to the people of Bulungan. The Kesultanan Bulungan Place building, which is currently a museum, is a replica of the place building after the 1964 Bultikan tragedy. Bultikan is an acronym for Bulungan, Tidung, and Kenyah. The Bultikan tragedy caused the building of the Bulungan Sultanate Place to burn down and many nobles of the Bulungan Sultanate to disappear, including Datu Mukemat, Raja Muda Sultan Bulungan, whose whereabouts were unknown now until now. Maybe that's all I can say, Vicky. I'm sorry if I made a mistake in pronounce the words. Thank you. Okay, Vicky, I'm done. Hello. Hello, Vicky. You can hear my voice.
Vicky? Vicky, are you still here?
Vicky. Dari tadi nungguin kamu loh. Iya, oke.
Halo Vicky.
Sorry guys, my connection getting bad. So, so Rasmi, you talk about museum from your city you live, right? Okay. Anyone? Do you have a question for Rasmi? Anyone? Can you hear my voice?
No question.
Yes, Vicky.
Yes.
I think not yet.
Yes.
Halo Vicky.
Anyone? Do you have a question for Rasmi? Miss Olin?
Not yet, Vicky.
Okay. I'll be waiting you.
Mm,
Go ahead, Miss Olin.
maybe Rasmi, you talk about museum at your city. That's very interesting. Maybe Rasmi, I want to ask if we want to go.
Oh,
Rasmi,
Rasmi
can
can
you hear
hear.
my voice?
I think Rasmi connection
Okay.
getting bad. Rasmi, you can.
Okay.
Miss Olin, you can type to the chat box maybe. Is that okay, Miss Olin? And right now I can hear your voice, Miss Olin.
It's okay.
Okay,
It's okay.
just type to the chat box.
Okay. But Rasmi is left the room.
Maybe just moving on to the next person.
Okay.
While when the Rasmi coming to this room again, will be you have to ask to the chat box. Yeah. Okay. Elias, are you ready?
Yes, I ready.
Okay. The screen is yours, Elias.
Okay. Hello everyone, good evening. At this Zoom, I will tell about one of the historical place in Bandung, namely is Gedung Sate. Maybe you are really familiar with this one building. Gedung Sate is historical place that maybe you are really already familiar.
Aku pengen
It's
dilihat.
apa?
Aku ini.
Maybe you are really familiar with this one building. Gedung Sate is the historical that has so many stories in it.
I have my friends right here right
long
now.
history that has existed since the Dutch colonial
Yaudah sambil cetan aja ntar.
period. The
Apa?
laying of the first
Ya udah besok pagi aja kali.
carried out in
Ya udah kan
on
katanya kamu yang butuh
the
screen.
27 of July 1, 2000 April 1900 and the 20 which has attended by Johanna Charin Chop, who is the eldest daughter of
Ya,
the
mau aja.
mayor of Bandung and becomes and the Petrolina Chokrolofson who
Kalau aku ke
presented
kamarku bakal lemot gak yo?
the Governor General
Apa?
in Batavia. A unique specialty, the hallmark is the thick 12-word
Siapa minta lipom sih?
sermon about the central tower.
Ayo sih, dikit aja sih. Enggak.
Thank for attention. Sorry if some
Apa sih? Aku nih habis mandi loh sih.
Nice to meet you all.
Aku pakai yang kecil.
Kuru-kuru itu tuh.
Mana lo?
Sampai kan satu di atas yang
Mana skincare tuh?
enggak itu jadi.
Halo Vicky.
Mana tempatnya?
Enggak usah.
Vicky.
Ilyas? Sorry, I can hear your voice. Ilyas, sorry, I can hear your voice. Are you done? Udah beres?
Udah.
Okay. So you talk about Gedung Sate, right? So yeah, I know. I do visit that place when I don't know when what is called waktu sebulan di sini. I'm going to do that place because I'm really interested with that place. So yeah, it's just some reaction for your presentation. Miss Olin or Rasmi, do you have a question for Elias?
Nothing. Ow.
Miss Olin?
Nothing.
Oh, Rasmi didn't have a
No,
question.
I don't have question for Elias. Thank you, Elias.
Okay, Miss Olin. Elias, thank you for your presentation. Just moving on. Miss Olin, are you ready?
Yes.
Miss Haji.
Yes, I'm ready, Vicky.
Okay, Miss Olin, the screen is yours.
Yours.
Okay, thank you. Okay, guys. Good evening. Nice to meet you again. So the topic discussion for today is tempat bersejarah, historical place. Because I live in Bandung, so I'm gonna tell you about one of iconic place, historical place. The name is Japanese Cave. Japanese Cave, Gua Jepang.
Oh, okay.
Maybe some of you already know or heard about this place. So Japanese Cave was found by the Japanese military in 1942. This place was used as a military barrack and protection for Japanese soldiers. Wikipedia said Japanese Cave has 4 entrances and there are also forums that used by the Japanese leaders to rest and make some strategy. And then there are 18 bunkers that are still in the same state as the original. These bunkers are also different function. As example, they use this bunker for shooting area, meeting room, warehouse, and kitchen. And then there's the bunkers are built close together, about 30 meters. Okay, and then they said these bunkers, these Japanese caves that military use. This military use was made by Indonesian people forcibly, or we are familiar with Romusha. So some people say this bunker, this cave was made by Indonesian people who was in Romusa. It is said it is said that many Indonesian people involved in this Romusha and they are died in the construction of this cave. Maybe some of you already know too. about these Japanese caves are haunted, and sometimes people do investigation and test of gods in that place. So maybe that's my presentation about Japanese cave. Thank you for the attention. I'm giving back to Vicky. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, Miss Olin, for your presentation. That's really cool why you present about Goa, Japan. I don't know exactly where is it, but I really want to go to that place. Can you be my tour guide to go to that place, Miss Olin? It's yeah,
Of
okay. Maybe next time
course.
I will ask you a favor to be
Just
my
tell
tour
me what
guide.
time.
It's about a New Year, maybe.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, Miss Olin.
Okay. Just tell me. Thank you,
Hi.
Vicky.
Okay. Rasmi and Ilyas, do you have a question for Miss Olin?
Sorry, some say that this Japanese cave is considered haunted. Not a few stories say that in the area, even in it, there are the spirit of Japanese soldiers. So the people who were tortured and killed. That's true, Miss Oli.
I'm sorry, Rasmi. I didn't hear your voice clearly. Can you repeat the last part?
Oh, okay. Uh, Someone say that this Japanese cave is considered haunted. Not a few stories say that in the area, even in it, there are the spirit of Japanese soldiers. To the people who were tortured and killed in it. That's true, Miss Oli. Katanya tempat ini tuh eh, apa kayak katanya tuh tempatnya angker gitu terus
Haunted
bahkan
by